Hello friend, Satish Tiwary again from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur. Next again with a new video. In this video, I will show you how to find out the vulnerability on a website. Okay, like how to scan a website. Suppose you have created a website and you want to find the vulnerability on that website. So you have to do, you can do that using Nmap tool. Okay, so that is a script based. So Nmap, here you have to type, then you have to type script dash dash script, then vulnerability, and in place of IP address you can give the domain name of the website. Not only, you can also type the IP address, okay, but when you have a website domain name you can just type the domain name. So suppose testfire.net. Don't do this for do it for some harmful things, okay. Just learn it for educational purpose, learn it to मेक योर साइबर सिक्योरिटी स्किल ग्रेट. ओके, आपको इस टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखना है गुड पर्पस के लिए, नॉट फॉर द बैड पर्पस. सो nmap dash dash script is equal to vulnerability, and then you type the domain name, and then it will display you the all the vulnerabilities which is possible on this machine. And here it is, you have find so many vulnerabilities here. Let me list you the vulnerabilities. ये देखो, ये vulnerability कमांड चलाया तो हमें पता चला कि पोर्ट नंबर 21 and 80s are open. Okay, login http enumeration or login page possible, that you can access the admin folder and also the login page. Okay, let's go down and you will find some more things here. If you are able to read this file, you can read this file. All the pages are here, like insurance HTML page, inside career HTML page, okay, status check, search page. So all the files are available here and visible here. Testfire.net login page is here. Okay, so you can actually add ID login page and all these things. You can see you are getting so much information from here, and all the information and the vulnerabilities can be easily found. Like DOS attack is also possible in this website. So as you can see, these are the information which could be available using this technique. You can find the vulnerabilities. So this is just a technique to find the vulnerabilities on a website. You can use this technique and test it on your own website. Okay, and if you are doing it on someone else's website, you have to take the legal permission from them. Okay, thank you for watching.